We have all been there. You have a great idea for an app, but you are staying at a blank Figma canvas for 3 hours just pushing the pixels. It's the ultimate productivity killer. Stop wasting days on layout and start shipping in minutes. Today, I'm showing you how I've been completely bypassing the tedious part of the design using UXMagic.ai. This isn't just another generator, it's an AI UE partner that builds production-ready interfaces while you watch. We are diving into the brand new agent mode that actually iterates with you in real time. I used to spend my entire Monday just setting up grids, searching for icons, and manually wireframing every single script. It's slow, it's draining, and honestly, it's the part of the job that keeps most founders from ever launching. UX Magic eliminates that execution gap. It's not just a mood board. It's an AI UI generator that builds structured, editable designs instantly, so you can get straight to high-level work. UXMagic.ai is an AI-powered design assistant. You give it a text prompt, a rough sketch, or even a screenshot, and it transforms it into a high-fidelity UI. But here's the kicker. These aren't flat images. They are fully editable Figma-ready layers with proper auto layouts. You can actually move this right into your professional workflow without fixing 1,000 broken layers. Now let's look at the biggest update yet, the agent mode. Watch this. Built me a dark mode fitness tracking dashboard with a bento style layout. Boom! It's building the entire flow, not just one screen. Most AI tools give you one result and leave you stuck. Agent mode is like having a senior designer sitting right next to you. First feature of this agent mode is prompt to flow. It generates entire user flows, onboarding, dashboards, settings, all at once. Second is iterative editing. You can talk to it. I can just say change the font to something more modern, and the agent updates the design live. Third is style control. You can even upload your style guide so the agent stays perfectly on board with your colors and spacing. Honestly, seeing it live update, that is actually pretty cool. Another massive time saver is the cloning feature. If you see a landing page layout you love, don't rebuild it by hand. Paste the URL into UX Magic and it clones the structure into an editable UI design. Then the agent mode to swap the content and make it yours. It turns hours of manual recreation into a 10-second task. The workflow is very simple. First, input. Start with a prompt or a screenshot. Second is generate. UX Magic builds the high-fidelity UI immediately. Third, refine. Use the agent chat to tweak sections and add some screens. Fourth, export. Send it straight to Figma or grab the HTML React code to start coding. This is for product designers who need to ideate things faster, developers who want pro-level UI without the design headache, and the last one, the founders who need a polished MVPs ready by Monday morning. UXMagic.ai isn't just about generating, it's about getting things done. The agent mode is the first time I've felt like an AI actually understands how to iterate on a design rather than just guessing. If you want to try agent mode or cloning feature, use the link in my description and my code to get started. And what's the first app idea you are going to build with this? Let me know in the comments, and I'd love to see what you guys come up with. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed video, please don't forget hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in my next videos.